The plight of refugees is one of the key issues world leaders will address over the next 2 weeks. They're gathering for the United Nations General Assembly in New York City. Correspondent Wyatt Goolsbee spoke with the Holy See's UN ambassador, who is urging diplomats to pray ahead of their meetings.
Catholic leaders join people of different faiths in worship. Every year, the Pope's personal representative, Archbishop Bernardito Auza, welcomes diplomats from around the world to the Church of the Holy Family in Manhattan, just a block away from the United Nations.
Its purpose is really to thank God for what has been achieved, what has been done during the previous general session of the General Assembly, and to invoke and to beseech His assistance, His grace for the new session of the General Assembly.
The Archbishop tells me the parish has hosted the annual prayer service for 3 decades. The church's pastor, Father Gerald Murray, says it's a vital part of their vocation.
God's presence is invisible, but the church is the visible extension of God's mission in the world. So we try to bring that to everyone. And all religious beliefs, people of all religious beliefs are welcome here, precisely because this is the house of God for all nations.
They pray for a common theme: the dignity of every human person.
All the big questions like the environment, like migrations and refugees, all of these have been perpetual questions across centuries, if not millennia, for the Catholic Church.
One of the biggest questions: how to promote peace in war-torn areas, like in Colombia.
The peace process in Colombia.
Archbishop Luis Castro Quiroga is the former head of Colombia's Bishops' Conference. The group helped to open dialogue between the government and FARC, a rebel group dissolved after decades of fighting.
We have to open the country, the arms, the acceptance to those people that want to change their lives, from guerrillas to civilians and positive civilians.
The Archbishop urges diplomats to remember values like justice and mercy as they tackle some of the biggest global challenges. In New York City, Wyatt Goolsbee, EWTN News Nightly.